Hello Derek, it's Rob here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2012 Yamaha R1. I put your name already here as you send deposit, so I put the motorcycle on hold for you. The bike itself is in just excellent condition. Tires are like brand new. There are no visible scratches or damages there. It has a clean history, no stories. Has a center stand spools on it. It's all stock actually, there is no modifications. And that's the battery lead. We put it for charging. You don't have to pull the seat out to plug the battery and charger. The bike comes with a fully certified and with fresh oil in it. We do oil service as well, so you don't have to do nothing. Here's the VIN number of the motorcycle if you need it. So if you have any questions, you can call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you, and I'll see you on Saturday. Take care.